This is an auto test product video for the AutoStop Maxi brake meter. Sit the AutoStop Maxi on the passenger seat and go around to the driver's side and slide the pedal sensor onto your brake pedal. Secure AutoStop Maxi in a horizontal position with the supplied strap or with the seat belt. The lid should open facing the windscreen with the arrow on the printer pointing forwards. When the AutoStop Maxi and pedal sensor are both properly secured, press the on-off button and follow each of the steps on the display screen. The vehicle must be stationary at a complete stop prior to starting the test. AutoStop Maxi must be secured for the entire duration of the test. Misalignment or movement can cause false readings. Never hold an AutoStop Maxi on your lap, between your knees or feet, or anywhere on the driver's side. The area used for the test should be as flat as possible. Start the test by accelerating the vehicle to the required speed. Apply the brakes until the vehicle is stationary. Do not skid. After the vehicle has come to a stop, the AutoStop Maxi evaluates the brake performance and displays and prints the test results. The AutoStop Maxi brake meter does not show pass or fail, as the regulations for pass or fail are different in every state and territory. Check the regulations in your area to determine your testing requirements. Upgrade your brake meter by purchasing the USB interface option and NetBrake. NetBrake is a comprehensive reporting software and complete fleet management system. You can customise this to suit your business. At AutoTest, we have our own range of consumable products which have been tested and designed to suit our units. Paper packs specific for the AutoStop Maxi brake tester are sold in a 3-pack with printer ribbon. This can be purchased directly from our website for your convenience at autotest.net.au.